Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. In this video, I want to introduce to you a Vietnamese braised chicken drumsticks in coconut water. The chicken is tender and juicy with sweetness from the coconut water. The aroma from garlic and shallot that make the amazing meal when this is served with rice and green salad. Please refer the measurement of the ingredients I use for the meal in the description of the video below and give this a rating and subscribe to our channel to support its future development. I now prepare for chicken drumsticks and marinate them. They weigh about 550 grams and washed thoroughly with salt and lemon water. Give it a coat to make them absorb the seasoning easily because I want to cook them straight away. Put in the vegetable seasoning powder, the fine spice powder, the ground black pepper powder, the fish sauce, the chili sauce mixed with paprika powder, and half a garlic. Mix them up and massage each one to have the seasoning penetrate deep into the meat through the curd. Put the wok on the hob. Put the vegetable oil into the wok over the medium-high heat. I do not need a lot of the oil for deep fry. I just want to fry the outer layer of them to make them to become firmer before braising them. Flip them over or they will get burned. When it starts to brown and become firm, take them out. I just keep a little of the oil in the wok to fry the onion and the garlic. When they have a good fragrance, put the chicken back in and mix them up. Add half a teaspoon of vegetable seasoning powder and mix them up. Add the coconut water and ensure that they are in the coconut water. The sweetness of the coconut water is combined with the seasoning to have the meal become flavorsome, so you do not need to use sugar. Put the lid on and braise them for 5 minutes over the medium heat. Turn them upside down so the top side of the chickens can absorb the coconut water and will become juicy evenly. Put the lid on and continue to braise them for 20 more minutes over the low heat. The sauce becomes thick and the chicken have a beautiful golden color. This can be served with bread or is now served with rice and green salad as I do. You see, the meal looks beautiful and appealing. The chicken is tender, juicy, and not crumbly. The sauce tastes very good with rice. You can refer how to cook jasmine rice in the video. I attached the link on the top right of the screen. It is so amazing that I enjoy so much. Please give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thank you for watching.